and engineers. This photo is from Chennai of January 2019, where one vehicle dashed the pole and the pole came into collapsing condition, and a support of wood was given like this, which is not a safe procedure. Friends, I get such photos from news only, but nobody take a photo in various states and post on the group to study the situation in the whole nation of substandard network. I may be wrong, but it is necessary to expose the substandard works wherever they are going on in the whole nation so that corrective measures can be taken collectively. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief NSP and National Safety Council member. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for such safety related videos. Thank you.